Hello everybody, this is Altaf from Huawei. I hope you all are staying fit and healthy. So today I will show you the all new Huawei Nova 7 5G with the signature Huawei Punch View full view display along with the Huawei Watch GT2e. So hey everyone. So the Nova 7 comes with the immersive 6.53 display with the TUV certified eye comfort features which protect your eyes by filtering the blue rays. So the Nova 7 is equipped with the all new Kirin 985 chipset which harness next level performance. To power all this performance, Nova 7 supports Huawei 40V supercharge technology which will give you a 0 to 75% charge in 30 minutes only. And you can capture stunning images with the all powerful 64 megapixel quad camera. And not only that, the 32 megapixel AI front camera, amazing crisper photos even in low light conditions. The Nova 7i comes with the Huawei Petal Search, which brings all your apps in one spot to download. Too busy with your life, can't pay attention to fitness? Worry not, the Huawei Watch GT2e will save the day. Huawei Watch GT2e can show you messages, calls, notifications right on your wrist. The Watch GT2 is equipped with 100 workout modes to fit your daily fitness needs. Explore all the new adventures of rock climbing, parkour, streak dancing, skateboard and many more right on your wrist. Thank you to the Kirin A1 chipset, Huawei Watch GT2e consumes less energy to achieve power for the 2 weeks. You can also add up to 400 songs and listen to whenever you are on the go. And to make your life easier, you can control your smartwatch with Huawei Health application. You can monitor your heart rate and you can keep with your patterns, change your stress levels and other workout modes. All you have to do is download the Huawei Health application from App Gallery, and as well as you can download the application from Play Store or App Store, and you can connect your smartwatch to it. You can also change the watch faces up to and update your watch from the Huawei Health application. So hurry up and don't miss the chance to experience these products. Thank you.